Let's talk about some of the important expected topics from higher education. Now, for 2023, the new national education policy developments under it is extremely important. So, how Samragra Shiksha Abhiyan has been revamped. Here, concept of internship, bagless days have been incorporated. National credit framework has been brought into account. So, national credit framework is basically the credits being accumulated through multiple entry and exit. International universities being allowed in India at the gift city, another important development that you must be familiar with. Similarly, there are various similar developments which have been laid down under the national education policy, which talks about incorporating the lives and the history of freedom warriors through Veer Gatha. Similarly, there is Awakening program by Ramakrishna Mission, which has been incorporated to bring in philosophical constructs for grade 1 to 5. Bhar OS is an indigenously built operating system and for mobiles, and this has been developed by IIT Madras. Parakram Divas as celebrated as the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. The idea is to lay down the concepts of the freedom warriors and their life, their history. Similarly, Kashi Tamil Sangam. Now, this is intermingling of the north and the south cultures in India, and how through the Sayaji Rao Gaikwad library, which is part of the BHU, one of the major libraries, holds the manuscripts from Tamil, which dates back to 17th and 18th century. An international conclave in collaboration with the Deakin University from Australia has been conducted, and the sole idea is to actually have internationalization and digital transformation of higher education. Under the G20, the theme of the educational summit is Recovery, Reimagine and Rebuild is Stronger, where India's idea of digital university and operationalizing virtual schools has been important. So those are some of the important topics. The complete detailed topics important for your 2023 have been covered in the video course available in the link below. Wish you very good luck, and do follow us for more information and expected questions on environment coming pretty soon. Wish you very good luck.